Commercial cooking has always forced chefs to compromise between speed and quality. Those days are over. Introducing IBEX, a radical new cooking technology secured by a robust patent portfolio that delivers high-quality food quicker than you thought possible. Analog cooking had its day. The future is digital. The future is IBEX. Developed by the industry's leading manufacturer of commercial food equipment, the IBEX oven is a revolution in design and performance that improves the restaurant experience for your staff and your customers. With dual tray capacity and IBEX in-and-out cooking, you won't waste time waiting for one dish to finish before starting the next. IBEX resets the rhythm of your kitchen, eliminating bottlenecks and allowing your team to work quickly and efficiently. And IBEX recipe programs and proprietary algorithms ensure quick, delicious, error-free results every time, regardless of your staff's skill level. With IBEX, you'll have full menu flexibility. Fresh, flaky pastries in 8 minutes, juicy, tender chicken in 6 minutes, savory roasted vegetables in less than 5 minutes, warm melted sandwiches in 60 seconds, ice cream in... Okay, it won't make ice cream. But grab those frozen pastries, because IBEX will take them from ice cold to golden brown in 10 minutes. If you're baking it, roasting it, or reheating it, you'll do it faster and better with IBEX. IBEX uses solid-state radio frequency technology in combination with convection heating. Solid-state RF technology has been used for decades in industries including medical, telecom, and broadcasting, where precision, reliability, and safety are vital. IBEX brings this technology to the commercial kitchen for the first time. IBEX's proprietary technology allows it to adapt in real time as it cooks. Unlike traditional speed ovens, which cause hot and cold spots, IBEX evenly cooks, bakes, and reheats the entire volume of food, delivering superior moisture retention and longer shelf life. Until now, cooking has been straight-up analog, a one-way street, blindly pushing heat and energy into your food with no feedback, resulting in hot and cold spots. IBEX changes the game, engaging food in a real-time culinary conversation as it heats, learns, and adapts to deliver delectable, consistent results. IBEX is the only technology that continually learns how food is changing during cooking and digitally adapts the heating process to ensure uniformly cooked, premium quality results every time. Breads rise, meats roast, veggies caramelize, consistently and in a fraction of the time. Welcome to what's next. Welcome to IBEX. Visit digitalcooking.com to see IBEX in action.